All right, on today's That's a Wrap. Today we got a 21 F-150 with a 3.5-inch lift, new 35-inch tires, and we're gonna show this thing off.
Tricked out, decked out, check us out. Truck stuff. Every customer is treated like family. Every staff member is a truck stuff pro. So many aftermarket accessories, sales, installation, and so much more. Transform your ride, it's all inside at truckstuffks.com. Truck stuff.
All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous 21 F-150 with the Ready Lift 3.5-inch lift kit. Customer wanted us to get some bigger tires to get rid of that rake, so that's what we did. Now, this has the upper control arms, and with this kit, it allows you, if you want to run 35s, you can go with a plus 18 offset or go bigger. So that's what we did. We got it wrapped with this 35 1250 18 fuel Rebel wheel 18x9 with the plus 20 offset. Now we had to do a little bit of trimming, but nothing too major, just a lower valance trimming, that's it. Then for the rear, customer wanted us to put in the rough country fender covers on the inside, kind of give a clean look. And also with this Ready Lift kit, gives us this ability to put in this bracket, level out the rear. So now it's got protection with the rough country liner in the rear. Guys, if you're looking to get this thing done, we can do it for you. Come see us today.